Hey everyone, Ramel here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and initial impressions of the Manfrotto MVH500AH. This is Manfrotto's entry-level fluid head that uses their bridging technology. I got a new fluid head mostly because I was using this in the past. This is the tripod head that came with my 190XB, which I did do an unboxing of, but that was nearly 8 years ago and it was very, very shaky. And yeah, I've been using this for all my videos and it's become quite a pain. So I've been trying to use less movement in those videos, if you've noticed, because when you do the tilt or the pan, it is very, very jerky. This wasn't intended to have very smooth travel. As you can see, even now you can kind of feel that it's clicking or seeing that it's clicking. So a lot of the footage was not usable. And it was just getting to a point where I didn't really want to have to stress out about that because it's really hard to tell. At least for me, while I'm recording, it's only when I start editing and looking through the footage that it doesn't look as good as I thought it would. And yeah, there were a lot of options on Amazon. I decided to go for the Manfrotto because I knew that this is probably going to be one of the more important things I purchase, since I do want it to be quality and it's going to be a big point in the videos. I didn't want to skimp out and go for something cheaper like a Newer or a few others on Amazon, knowing that Manfrotto does make quality products and I have used them in the past and I haven't had any issues with this at all. It's just not intended for video. And it was a little bit expensive. It was 170 Canadian compared to say like a $50 or $70 Newer, but I figured that this is going to be worth the investment, and if those break, I'll have to buy another one and eventually it'll end up costing the same as the Manfrotto. So might as well spend the money now on the Manfrotto instead of having to deal with broken fluid heads. But yeah, it's very, very entry level. It's their basic one. You can't really do anything besides the panning and the tilting. You can only lock the pan and tilt. You can't change, I guess, the resistance of the fluid drag system with this. Like the 502, which has different settings that you can use, but I felt that I might not need that right away and I can probably live with this fluid head for a long time. Again, I just do this for a hobby, so it's mostly for fun, but this was not fun. But yeah, let's get to the unboxing. Inside the box, it's pretty much just the tripod or the fluid head and the handle. The box looks really big because of the handle. I felt like there's a lot of empty space in this box, and I tried to think of a better way that they could do it, but it doesn't seem like there's a better way to do it. Yeah, you get the handle, you get the fluid head, you get the mounting screws, and you also get some of the documentation, just instructions and the warranty information. But that's pretty much it inside the box. Yeah, a lot of empty space in there. But after using this for a little bit, I really enjoy it. It's a lot better than using the photo tripod head. To install it, it was really, really straightforward. All I had to do was remove the old tripod head and screw this one in. I just had to make sure that the panning was locked so I could tighten it as tight as possible. But besides that, installing the handle was relatively painless as well. You can install it on the left or the right side. I put mine on the right side because I'm right-handed. And yeah, overall, the footage is a lot smoother and it feels more consistent. The speed is way more consistent. I know that if I'm panning or tilting, then I'm not gonna have any issues with the footage. It's super smooth. I really, really like it, and so far it's been worth it. Here's some sample footage that I've taken with it. It's a preview of my next video, which is the Model O minus. I'll try to look up some of the old footage that I have from my previous videos and show you guys a comparison of this one compared to the fluid head. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not much else for the fluid head that I can think of right now. But so far, so good. I hope that it does bring, or I hope that it does make my footage in the future look a little bit smoother, and I'm able to get the footage that I want instead of having to struggle when it comes to panning and tilting. And yeah, I'll definitely be using this all the time for my future videos. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. I know it wasn't too tech related, but it's gonna be related to my future videos, and I hope that it's worth it and you guys see that in the future. I'm sorry I'm late on this upload. I was a little busy earlier this week, had some things going on. I'm gonna try to post a video every Wednesday again. I'm gonna try to keep that to that schedule. The Model O minus is the next video coming up, so stay tuned for that. Again, if you haven't seen me using this mouse or streaming, I've been doing a little bit of some project cars too on the Corsa. I'm still learning and practicing, but I want to get better, so
oh
show
no!
You guys what sim racing is like.
I thought that was the first and second turn were good for that one, but
peace. I need a new intro though. That's something I'm gonna work on. I'm out though. Bye.